I'm Thom, and I just got off of the Blizzard Cochise. This is a 5 out of 5 ski for me all day long. This ski is the absolute definition of a freight train. It has absolutely no speed limit. It continues to be stable the faster you push it, and it just absolutely charges. I definitely wouldn't put anybody in the intermediate realm or lower on this. This really requires an advanced and upward type skier. But if you're looking for something that's super stable, tons of power, and will just plow through anything, the Cochise is absolutely the ski you're looking for. 5 out of 5 stars.